Hi everyone. Okay, you know what's coming, right? Everything is linked. It's called the Internet of Things. Everything's going to have a sensor, and including us, and supposedly. Okay, this is where it's going. So I just want to let people know, in case you don't know this, that, okay, look. Google's AI creates its own inhuman encryption. How Google's AI taught itself to create its own encryption. This is what I typed in. Artificial intelligence teaches itself secret language and encrypts it from humans. Okay, now this is really happening. Scientists who have created AI and these, D-Wave and the DeepMind and all that, teaching computers how to teach themselves. They don't know what they're teaching themselves, and then they are encrypting messages to each other as if they're, living things. And the encryption excludes humans. Okay, see what it says right here? Freezing out the humans they are attempting to liberate themselves from. Pretty strange, huh? Anyway, so another thing that I typed in is artificial intelligence running the economy? Because there was an article here in the paper, in the South China Morning Post, about robot fund managers and how they are advising and getting better performance from stocks, etc., than human fund managers. So fund managers will be out of a job too. And the AI is probably what will run and determine the whole personalization, I should say, of everyone's identity through having a chip. And then you go to the airport and it will know if you have a chip or not, and you won't be able to go on the plane. And maybe they'll offer it right then and there. You know, the whole Revelations thing. You won't be able to buy or sell unless you have it. So these are exciting times because everything in the Bible is being fulfilled. Isn't that just amazing? Okay, and then the other thing is I wanted to show you. Okay, here's the robot fund managers. Rise of robot fund managers. You're going to put human fund managers out of business. So how is this all going to work? And then something else I want to show you is this is about autonomous cars, autonomous ships. You know, the first autonomous ship is going to set sail in 2018. Okay, forget autonomous cars. Autonomous ships are almost here. Now watch this. Okay, this is from January 28th, 2007. I mean, this is like, everything is so advanced we can't even keep up with it. Before, if we heard one thing, like an autonomous ship, what? Every person would know. But now, Moore's Law is continuing, They didn't think it could continue, but it's getting so tiny and speeding up. It's almost like everything is turning inside out. But look at these ship pictures. They look so bleak. No humans. Well, there's a couple of humans. Anyway. It looks... But the reason humans can't be involved is because their decision-making is inferior. So if there's a whole road of autonomous cars and they are all interacting with each other and doing all these, measurements at lightning speed to make everything run smoothly, if you throw a human into the mix, this would not work. So it's going to have to be probably all or nothing. Autonomous cars, autonomous ships, they will all be linked and working together. So I don't know what you think about it, but the idea that artificial intelligence can teach itself languages and send encrypted messages to each other. What? You know, scientists have talked, they said, we don't know what they're doing. And are they planning something based on all the data from every single person that's put into Google? I mean, all the data. It's coming up with ideas that are unthought of, and AI is thinking of it. Look, Google AI invents its own language, and then pretty soon we're going to be chatting with chatbots, and we don't even know if they're a human, and people are going to think that they're humans. Pretty far out. Okay, so, oh, that isn't what I wanted. Well, here are all the stories then, videos, how algorithms shape our world. And then eventually they're going to have to say, we don't know how these algorithms are shaping the world, because we don't know these algorithms because computers themselves wrote these algorithms. Pretty crazy. But anyway, you know, Revelation 13, somewhere around there, unless you have this mark, you won't be able to buy or sell. It's coming to the point where we won't be able to buy or sell unless we are linked into all of this. And now, Microsoft said that everything is going to be linked. All our devices are going to be linked. And then, Mark Zuckerberg, who is probably running for president in 2020, he gave a presentation on augmented reality, not just virtual reality, but augmented things change right before your eyes. It looks like it's in the real world. So get ready for this, and the world will probably burn itself out. That's what it says in 2 Peter. It won't be the flood, it will burn. But then there will be a new heaven and new earth. So, makes sense to me. Thanks for watching, and many blessings and truth. Here we go. It's here. It's here now. Okay, God bless. Thanks for watching. Adios.